Hi everyone, my name is Emily and I'm a pelvic floor physiotherapist at Proactive Pelvic Health Center, and what I want to review with you in this short video is the ILU massage, or I love you massage, which is a really nice, easy, gentle massage for individuals who are experiencing constipation, loose stool or diarrhea, generalized pelvic pain, or any sort of abdominal pain or cramping. So what this massage does is it aids in relaxing the colon and just helps in facilitating digestion. Okay, so when you're doing this technique, you are going to be forming the letters ILU, and so the I to start will be from your left rib cage to your left hip, and then the L will be your right rib cage, left rib cage, and then left hip, and then the U will be your right hip, right rib cage, left rib cage, and then left hip. So you want to be using some lotion for this. We're just using this. And like I said, it should be nice and gentle. Okay. So to start, you're going to be doing left rib cage to your left hip. You want to be doing about 10 strokes in each direction. So nice and gentle, try to relax. So when you're doing this, you should be in a relaxed position, lying down ideally. So 10 in that direction. And then 10 of the L, so starting from your right rib cage and then down towards your left hip bone. Good, so about 10 of these, and then the last 10 will be the U, so up from your right hip to your right rib cage, across, and then down. Good, so you want to finish off with about 10 of those.